Hey Wonderfros, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony, and if you are new here, then welcome to my corner of the YouTube universe. And if you're old here, then hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to try and get through this video as the best as I possibly can because sis, bro, this is my third time filming it all the way out, dressed, ready to go, product out, ready to go, third time, okay? And I am so tired of saying the same thing over and over again, so I'm gonna jump right into it. But before I do, take a one quick second, go down below, click that subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos from me, and thumbs up if you like this type of content. And without further ado, let's jump into it. The winter months are upon us, and unless you live somewhere super tropical, girl, I'm about to move in with you. But here in Metro Atlanta, it's getting cold, and I know you guys are wanting to keep moisture in your hair for longer periods of time, especially because now you have to combat all of the elements. And you guys know, if you're a longtime watcher on my channel, I love the LOC method. Between the LCO and the LOC, I love the LOC method, the LOC method. Now, that's just for me and my hair type. My hair type in its entirety will be down below in the description box, but I wanted to share what oils I use for what things, right? Because also I've been getting questions about whether or not I still oil my scalp, and I have mentioned in several videos that I don't do that anymore, but I do still use oil. So I'm gonna show you guys what oils I use for certain things, what's designated for the LOC method or not, and hopefully this helps you guys retain moisture this winter. First things first, I did just want to say once again that I don't oil my scalp anymore, and that is a test that I took on the Green Beauty channel. I will try and find the video, I will try and link it down below. I don't remember which one it is, but basically it diagnosed my metabolism type, and that's the reason I don't use oils. My oil glands, just like you have a hair type, you also have a skin type, and my skin type is like oily combination, like on my face, and the rest of your body has a skin type as well. So you need to keep that in mind when you do start using oils, because your body naturally produces oil, and you could be doing like way too much and not enough at the same time. My metabolism type, my body chemistry produces a lot of oil, if not borderline over produces oil. So I have actually gotten scalp acne from certain oils, using certain oils on my scalp, but again, I do still use it on my hair. So I do still use oil to seal, that's a thing. If you guys are wanting to put oil on your scalp, which I do still do in certain areas, and once again, whenever I feel like it's necessary, just based off of my hair, my skin, and everything else, these are the 3 oils that I use for hair growth. Now this one looks like it's been through a war zone. This one in the middle is coconut oil, and this one on the end is the Mielle Organics Rosemary Mint Oil. And I love all 3 of these, okay? This is castor oil. I've had this for a while. No, it does not come with this nozzle in the original packaging. It doesn't come like this. And coconut oil, y'all know you can buy like anywhere and use it. And then this Mielle Organics, sis, this dropped, I think, World Natural Hair Show last year, I want to say 2018, and I've been using it ever since, been using it on my bald spots and everything. So these are my 3 favorite hair growth oils. If you have also been a long time watcher of my channel, you know I religiously use and love coconut oil. I still use it, I still love it. I don't use it as much in the winter because it does harden outside, so that can be more inconvenient, and you know, you can replace this with an oil blend that doesn't harden outside and just has coconut oil in it. But I love me some coconut oil. This ain't going nowhere, and for years I oil my scalp with coconut oil. I did not find that I had any negative side effects from it, but I do still highly recommend this. I love it. This is a little bit thicker if you did want to use it in the winter months. I do think it retains moisture, but it is heavy. Like, it is really heavy. I have also used this to like weigh my hair down in certain styles. Like, you can use the heaviness or lightness of an oil, at least me, I can use it for my benefit, okay, styling wise. But this is a heavier oil, and I know a lot of people promote that Jamaican black castor oil will make your hair thicker. They're technically, biologically, is no way to make your hair thicker, right? Like, your density is determined by your genetics. Per square inch on your scalp, you have a certain amount of hair follicles, and that's just, it is what it's gonna be. Unless you thin your hair out or kill some follicles off, you can't get your hair to be thicker. Now, if your hair is not at its optimal thickness, then I highly suggest Jamaican black castor oil for thickening up your hair, but not because it's gonna make your hair any denser than it naturally already is. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully you guys understand that. And then this is a stimulating oil. I think it's great. I have been using it, like I said, for about 1.5 years when it dropped at the World Natural Hair Show 2018, and it's great. Again, used it on my bald spots. It's got a minty, tingly feeling. I love it, and it's got a dropper, which I think is really easy for you to apply to certain spots if you wanted to like spot treat your scalp, you know? These are my favorite types of bottles, like these twist tops here. These are my favorite kind for applying oil to your scalp. They're just the most convenient and neat, and they don't get oil everywhere, and they're just the best. So those are my 3 oils for hair growth. Up next is all of my oils for the LOC method, and they are in this container here. This is the Soultanicals King Sink. This is a little bit thicker of an oil to use for the LOC method, but I do still like it. I think castor oil is higher up on the ingredients for this, but it smells absolutely amazing. I got the Adria Beauty Oil Blend, Korea Botanicals, Mish Beauty, and the Tailored Beauty Hair Serum. I actually think she formulated this to go on top of your hair, but I have used it underneath the cream in this line, and it still works perfectly. And this is also, I believe, like a serum that you can put on top of your hair. This I did a collab with Curly Guy. I will link that above if you want to see it. We sent each other surprise product boxes, and he put this in mine, and I actually really like this oil. Now, you guys know I am a twist out girl. Most of the time I am not doing wash and goes, but if you are if you are a wash and go diva to scrunch out the crunch for your hair, I highly recommend this as well. You can put this on top or underneath, but I do really like it, and it smells really good too. But these are my LOC Method oils. Okay, LOC Method. A lot of them are a little bit on the lighter side. When I layer my products, I try not to put heavy on top of heavy on top of heavy. So like a heavy leave-in, a heavy cream, and a heavy oil. I do recommend that you layer your products, but you don't have to layer heavy products back to back to back. You know what I mean? So this is the stash for lighter oil blends, I guess you can say. The argan oils, the sweet almond oils, the grapeseed oils, they tend to be lighter and work best for sealing your hair, at least for me. So these are the ones that I like, recommend, use all the time. You guys have seen so many wash days from me layering my products and doing the LOC method, and these are for the LOC method. I have used them for other things as well. I generally would not put these on my scalp. Like, I have done it, but once again, my scalp doesn't need it. Your scalp might need it. You might need it, sis. Not me. You guys know I love mint as well, so if you like a tingly feeling on your scalp, a cooling tingly feeling on your scalp, I would recommend the Adria Beauty oil for your scalp because it feels so good. But once again, I typically do not need oils on my scalp. So last group of oils that I will be showing you guys that I have in my stash is oils for when I straighten my hair or like do a blowout, because I don't want heavy products weighing my hair down. I have done blowouts where my hair is weighed down, and I don't mind and I don't care, but I also, you know, like the lightness and the fluffiness of a blowout. So if you would like to keep that going, keep that momentum going without heavy oils, because I would not put any of the other oils on my hair after I did a blowout. These are the two. Yes, these are glass bottles. Yes, these are really tiny, like sample size, travel size ones, but they are highly concentrated, and yes, they are also expensive. But this is the macadamia oil, and this is the Living Proof, I guess, hair serum. I don't know, it is one of the recommendations by the Glam Twins. Y'all know I love their channel, love them, and these two oils specifically have been recommended to me from them. And these are like oils that I would put on the ends of my hair to kind of combat some of the friction that you would get when you wear your hair down and out often without, once again, weighing your hair down. Now, both of these smell absolutely amazing, and like I said, they are really concentrated, so you don't need a whole big thing unless you straighten your hair or do blowout styles often. I do not, so these have lasted me a really long time. But I mean, girl, if you got a lot of hair and you straighten it often, then links will be down below in the description box, okay? And links for everything will be down below in the description box, but I highly recommend these because I don't like that like greasy feeling. Like if I were to straighten my hair, I don't want it to look like greasy, you know. I want it to have like shine and light and bouncy fluffiness to it, but I don't want it to be weighed down. And I think these oils are perfect for achieving that look. So highly recommend both of those, and those are all of my oils in my oil stash. Now I know I had done like a week of favorites earlier this year in the springtime, and I did not mention oils because again, I don't use them on my scalp. And as far as hair growth is concerned, you know, I have done hair growth and oiling videos in the past, but now since I know better, I'm doing better, and I no longer have the need to put oil on my scalp. I was just doing too much, and I don't want to get any kind of scalp acne or anything like that. I just wanted to also mention jojoba oil is one of the oils that does give me scalp acne. So if you find that you have a similar metabolism type, oil production rate, skin type, scalp type as me, then I would stay away from jojoba oil because that for sure gives me scalp acne. But that is everything I wanted to say in this video. Got it all out for the third time, y'all. For the third time, I'm taking one for the team. Hopefully this helps you guys keep your hair more moisturized this winter if you are layering your products and doing the LOC method like me. If you do the LOC method or the LCO method, leave down below in the comment section what your favorite oil is. I am interested to know. I obviously have a lot. I obviously don't need any more. I obviously still need to use all of these up, but I still am a sucker for a good oil, okay? LOC method ain't going nowhere no time soon. Not in my hair journey, okay? So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Remember to let your spirit, soul, and hair stay lifted like an Afro puff, and subscribe down below to my world so you don't miss any more videos from me. And if you do, then I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.